Okay, this is going to be my demo. First starting out with pretend silver salute, real silver salute, salute cracker, and one of those. What is that? Yeah, that's the colored flower, and then the Crazy King. Colored flower, and the Crazy King. Then a crazy robot flower, Mickey, and then 20 grammer. All right. All right, we are recording, and my audio level looks a little high. It's picking up a lot of the trees, the wind in the trees right now, and but we're going to be oversaturating the audio on this, but I want to be able to pick up the echo that goes on. So I don't know, I hope I don't break anything. Well, I better turn this down. Go to function, manual, turn that down a little bit. I think I'll still be able to pick up some echo. We'll see. Still kind of sensitive, but I brought it down a little bit. Okay. Turn that off. Hope for the best. I got my punk burning, ready to go. Now, out of the things I'm also gonna show you what this looks like. That little firecracker that was inside of the pretend bird egg cracker. I flared the ends of all my fuses, so it should light easy. Come on. Oh, be difficult. There we go. That was lovely. Alright. Now for the next one. Let's go. I should be. Try the. This is the pretend salute. Oh, it's manual focus. I'm not gonna putz with that. Okay. And I should be putting down my punk every time. There we go. That's gonna hurt. It's almost a little bit louder. Put my punk down. Put my punk down. Then go over and get the stuff. Yeah. Next one is a legit silver salute. Let's get this over there. Let's make sure that they're flared better. Punk. Yeah. Well, that didn't go right. It's okay. I've got another one just in case it was a dud. That flared better. Yeah. Punk. What? Those aren't the right ones. Those are not the right ones. Oh well, I'm not going to go digging for more. I'm just going to go to the salute cracker. I don't know what happened to those. They were great before. Oh. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. What's going on here? Oh. I didn't record. Okay. So, what the problem was here? It's still recording. Now I should go into record, right? Yeah, I didn't do that before. So it went into auto shut-off mode. So let's do a silver cracker for the camera. All right. Ow, that hit. That hit me in the forehead. I better get my safety glasses. Color flower. Am I still recording? I shouldn't be. That's much better. That's a bigger boom than that salute cracker. By far. Like double. Okay. Crazy King. Crazy King. Crazy King. Better do it that way. That's even better. That is better. There is a noticeable difference. My ears are ringing here. I don't know. Okay. That's a crazy robot flower. I took off the outer facade because I want to keep it as a ornament. But look at what's going on here. That just blew that up. Oh man. I wonder what this is going to do. More madness? Probably. Okay. Where's my punk? Alright. Get way over here. Better still. Yeah. Crazy King. No, crazy robot. Now, for the Mickey. Mickey time. Ladies, I'm going to give you a Mickey. Get out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's better. Don't do that. Put this here. And a little more damage. This one, that's going to be gone. It's walking way over here. I'm going to put it over here. Check my... Yeah, it should be all good. I think this is going to be gone, so I better put it over there so it don't hurt my chair. Okay, 20 grams. I'm giving way. What the hell? Oh yeah, that echo. That echo. All right. Okay. See? Look at that. Look at that. Yep. It's called damage. Good thing I didn't do it on that, because that's what happened before, right there. When I did one of them. Well, I didn't do one of them. I did a Mickey. Mickey. No, it was a Red Devil. It was half the size of the one that did that. Well, I call it a Red Devil anyway. It's a big red firecracker. Okay. This is the one I got from a buddy. Try this one out. Get out of here. No. I don't know. That one, I think it was equal to that 20 grammer. I don't know. That guy made it right. It didn't do any more damage. That plug didn't push through. See, that's what happened with the other one. Pushed through the plug. I bet I'll find a plug down in there too from the other. But man, I don't know. some good loudness to that guy.